It's3D is thrilled to announce the release of the Avatar SDK Leap. Leap is facial motion capture software that transforms the video of a person talking on camera into a 3D animation of the person's avatar. We use neural networks to predict mesh and texture in each frame, resulting in the unprecedented visual quality of the animation that transcends the uncanny valley. Right now, you will need an iPhone with our Leap mobile app to record a video, but we plan to enable videos taken with regular cameras later.
Leap Unity and Unreal Engine plugins designed to simplify the integration of the Leap facial motion capture technology into 3D engine projects. After capturing data with the Leap mobile application, users can export it to a computer running Unity or Unreal Engine. The Avatar SDK Leap plugin can input this data into a 3D engine and create realistic facial animation sequences for your 3D avatar in just a couple of clicks. The plugin will create all the required assets, including the skeletal mesh, textures, materials, skeletal animations, in just a few minutes. Both Unity and Unreal Engine plugins have the MetaPerson Creator integrated into them, so that you can customize your avatar with any MetaPerson Creator assets, including hairstyles, clothes, and jewelry.
Leap is available now for everyone. Just go to avatarsdk.com/leap to level up the quality of your character's animation.